Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making a boxing for 3 packages. One is a figure that I got at Target, and 2 packages that came in the mail yesterday. Here we go with the first one. So we got X-Pac, aka Six, aka Sean Waltman from WWF Pacific. Here's the front. It says X-Pac on his singlet. And GX on his trunks. Nothing. And X-Pac on the back of his singlet with black knee pads, black, red, and white, with X-Pac on his boots also, with sunglasses and a red headband. That's that one. Now we have AEW Best of Pay-Per-View Limited Edition, only at Target. AEW Revolution, Sting. Now, of course, now he's retired. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. That's that one. Last package. So we have Chicago Bulls, Mitchell Ness, Snapback. You got all black, black bill, black crown, black button, red bull with white horns with red tips, red Mitchell Ness, black snaps, black under with basketball sticker, black sweat, Mitchell Ness, and Chicago Bulls logo. Let's try it on. Fits nicely. And that has been the 2 packages. One is a WWF Jack Specific X-Pac, a Mitchell Ness Chicago Bulls snapback, and an AEW Best of Pay-Per-View Revolution Sting figure, limited edition. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.